Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez Mamasagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatagan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of May 25 hanggang May 31 for the sign of Gemini. So, Gemini, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit. So let's watch this. Angel spirit, please give me information po for the sign of Gemini. Ano kayang ganap? So there is the Nine of Pentacles with a blossoming abundance. So may mga bagay na unti-unti nang lalago, no? Unti-unti nang gaganda ang takbo ng eksena. There's a page of story with spying, looking, watching at you. No? Mag-ingat ka lang sa mga nag-i-spy or may either there's a spying for a client or customer. Okay, thank you. And of course, there's the chart card for an action. So dito na magaganap ang pagbabago, no? Unti-unting kumbaga development ng iyong buhay. No, additional messages. So there's the Four of Pentacles. So there's protect your power, protect your energy, no? Budgeting. So kailangan mo mag-budget, protection ng yung mga pinaghirapan mo. Additional messages. And of course, there's a Ten of Pentacles with a long-term success and long-term investment. May pangmatagalan to, no? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng pangmatagalang financial income or something, no? Long-term financial freedom at the same time security, no, financial security. And of course, there's an information with King of Wands, no? There's a control, no? There's a something, a vision. So may mga bagay na kailangan kontrolado mo, yung mga bagay-bagay o informasyon na pumapasok sa eksena mo. Kailangan hindi ka pwedeng pala desisyon. Kailangan gamayan, kumbaga lakasan ng pakiramdam mo dito. Dating mo na kagad yung magiging posibilidad. Hindi ka pwedeng bara-bara or laban na to, laban na ganyan. Hindi. Kailangan pagmasdan or himay-himayin mo muna. No? Yung mga bagay or magandang kahihinatnan ba or ano yung advantage and disadvantage. So let's see what is the Nine of Pentacles. So there's the Seven of Wands. Now you are being protected. Now protektado ka na pagdating sa finances. Now protected sa resource of income. Pagdating sa salary, something like that. Na maaaring magdala ng increasing your salary or something of promotions. Okay, let's see what is the Page of Swords. So there's the Four of Wands with a celebration. Okay, so may mga celebration na magaganap. So maaring malapit na yung birthday nyo guys. So Gemini. So happy birthday to all of you guys out there. Kumbaga yung mga magbe-birthday dyan ng mga Gemini guys. So let's see what is additional messages. So let's see what is a Chariot card. So, there's the Queen of Wands, no? There's a confidence. Wow, there's a confidence, guys. Kailangan lakas mo ang pakiramdam mo. Lakas mo ang loob mo. Hindi pwedeng yung parang may takot at pangamba. Hindi pwedeng gano'n. Kailangan, kailangan himay-himayin mo yung mga kaganapan. Kailangan alam mo sigurado ka. Alam mo yung sa sarili mo yung ginagawa mo. Continue what you're doing. And of course, makaka-move on at makakalis ka rin sa situation. The justice will be served. No? Kumbaga, makukuha mo yung hustisya. There's a balance, guys. So, basta protection at mapangalagaan mo lang yung kinikita mo or yung finances mo. The Ten of Pentacles represent the Seven of Pentacles or harvest time. Wow! Ibig sabihin dito talagang may pangmatagalang eksena na kumaga magtutuloy-tuloy na raw yung daloy ng pera, no, or finances. Wow! Swerte ay papabor na. The King of Wands represent the Six of Swords, the transition. No, dati bara-bara ka or basa-basa ganto-ganyan, ura-urada. Ngayon hindi. Nag-iisip ka na. Okay, it's a good part. So, let's see what is the Nine of Pentacles and the Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Wands. The 7 of Wands and of course the 9 of Pentacles represent what? Angel Spirit, 9 of Pentacles, and of course the 7 of Pentacles represent the Temperance, the perfect timing. And of course, there's something, kalma, no, calm. No, and of course, sinasabi dito, kailangan na haba mo yung pasensya mo dito. No, you are being protected, and of course, the blossoming abundance, and of course, there's a perfect timing. Talaga nakalantad at nakalahad talaga yung mga bagay na mangyayari na sa'yo. Okay, there's a Page of Swords, and of course, the 4 of Wands, represent what? The Page of Swords, and of course, the 4 of Wands, represent what? The 3 of Swords. So, there's something, pain. Okay? So, insecure. Okay, thank you. May insecure daw sa'yo dito, no? Dahil, mag-ingat ka, no? There's a spying looking, watching at you. Oh my God. May inggitera. Nakita mo yan? Nandito ka, oh. Tapos, nandito sa, parang nasa bakuran nyo. Nakikita mo sa malapit sa bakuran nyo. Ibig sabihin na kapitbahay mo tong inggitera to. There's a Chariot card, and of course, the Queen of Wands represent the Star card, the wish fulfillment. So, talagang unti-unti nang hihilom, unti-unti nang matutupad yung mga pangarap mo dito, no? Kumbaga, confident is your key to success, no? The more na confident ka, the more na magsasuccess ka. Okay. The 4 of Pentacles and the Justice represent what? The Fool card, the leap of faith, a new beginning coming in for you. Magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula, bagong pag-asa at bagong ganap, no, sa buhay mo. There's something hustisya. No, may mga bagay na magaganap dyan in the perfect timing. And of course, in the consequences, no? Lahat ng mga bagay na ginawa mo dahil sa naging makuripot or dahil sa pinangalagaan mo, pinaghirapan mo, magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula, nasa tamang proseso ka. So, okay, let's see what is the 10 of Pentacles and of course the 7 of Pentacles with the 3 of Cups. So, there's a celebration. Mag-ingat ka lang sa mga third parties like that, yung mga kaibigan, yung mga kamag-anak mong parasites, no? Yung lalapit lang sa kilala ka pag may pera ka or pag meron ka, ganon. There's the lovers, guys, sa transition, no? Kumbaga binago na yung pananaw mo or binago na yung sarili mo dahil dito sa taong mahal na mahal mo. Oy, tay, parang yung sinasabi sa'yo dito na nakita mo kasi yung parang ang layo-layo ng, kumbaga, nakita mo kasi tong tao na to na parang ang layo-layo doon sa mga taong nakilala mo, minahal mo. So, kumbaga binago mo yung sistema or something, yung personalities mo. Binago mo rin yung iyong kumbaga behavior. So, let's see what is the outcome. The Wheel of Fortune, guys. So, there's a turning back to your favor. That there's a destiny to happen. And there's a fated life. Talagang nakatadhana talaga ang mga bagay na nakatadhana. So, ibig sabihin talaga, may bibigay sa iyo yung mga bagay na what you deserve. Kumbaga, makukuha mo at iikot na yung kapalaran. Turning to your favor. Wow! Additional messages. So there's the 2 of Cups with a partnership. So talagang, 'di ba? Kumbaga pinagbuklat at talagang pinagsama kayo ng tadhana that because of mga pinagdaanan nyo. There's a 2 of Swords with a decision. So may mga bagay na pagdidesisyon nyo na. Kumbaga balanse na kayo. No, kumbaga pag nag-decision tong isa, na kailangan alam tong isa. Ganon. Hindi pwedeng pala desisyon. Ganon, guys. Additional messages about sa career. About sa career, so there's the 10 of Cups with unhappiness. Masaya ka ngayon sa career mo, guys. And this is the Death card, that there's an ending and a new beginning. Na magkakaroon ka ng transformation. Babaguhin mo na yung about sa career mo. Kung maghahanapin mo na yung magbagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo, yung passion mo, ganon. There's a transformation, no? Pagdating sa career. There's the 4 of Swords. So, there's something rest. Kailangan mo rin magpahinga. No? Baka nag-overfatigue ka na rin dyan. Additional messages about naman sa love life. So, there's the Queen of Swords. A bigger picture. Wow! Kumbaga, itong tao na to nakikita mo na, kumbaga, makakasama mo siya for long run. No? For longest time. For a long time, no? Parang pang matagalan talaga siya, guys. Pang long term, guys. Ganon. Kumbaga, pang matagalan to, nakikita mo na agad na, kumbaga, kung ano yung magiging future mo sa kanya, kaya ganon. No? There's something mental clarity, guys. And of course, there's that 8 of Cups. So, something moving forward and moving on. At the same time, there's some kumbaga, letting go, may mga bagay na, kumbaga, makaka-move on ka na o makakalis na kayo sa situation together. Additional messages about naman sa health. About sa health, guys, so there's The Hermit card, so soul searching and soul enlightenment, no? Kung baga malakas sa paniniwala at pananampalataya nyo, there's a 6 of Wands, there's a victory. No? Kung baga dahil sa pananampalataya at pananalig nyo, you are being protected, no? Kung baga lahat ng mga nararamdaman nyo, mabilis siyang mawaksi, mabilis siyang gumaling, dahil sa buo ang tiwala at pananampalataya mo. So let's see what is our magical fairy messages for you. For magical fairy messages for you. For magical fairy messages, represent what? For magical fairy messages, practice, practice, practice. So, enhance your abilities, polish your skills. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a children. So, baka magkaroon ka ng baby or anak or something na mayroong connected dito sa children. Okay. Or baka may mga anak pa kayo. And there's a goodbye to the old, hello to the new. No? Kumbaga, papakawalan nyo na yung mga bagay na nangyari sa nakaraan. So, magsisimula kayo ng panibagong eksena. You finish one part of your life, and now a new and even better part is the beginning. So, magsisimula ng panibagong chapter. No? Additional messages for synchronicities. Roots, no? Kumbaga, kung ano yung ugat, no? Yun ang puno, no? Parang gano'n. Kumbaga, magbubunga na lahat ng mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo. And there is a star. Wow, wish fulfillment. Talagang matutupad ng mga pangarap mo dito, guys. And there's a something persistent. So, ibig sabihin, consistent ka dapat sa ginagawa mo, no? There's a passion. Kapag hilig mo, gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, magiging maganda at magtatagumpay ka. Nasa larangan na pinangahawakan mo. Additional messages for Yin and Yang Oracle card. And there's a close off. Now you are being guarded. And there's an empathy by breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka talaga, guys. Tagumpay. And there's a storm unexpected, no? May mga unos or may mga pagsubok na dadating sa buhay mo, pero kaya mo naman lagpasan. It's a good part. For angels, answer represent what? For angels, answer represent what? It's up to you. So, nasa sa'yo na yan, no? Kung ano ang gagawin mong actions or decisions, and if you believe, basta naniniwala ka lang, no? And there's a within the next few weeks. Sa mga susunod na linggo, maraming ganap na pagbabago. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. Archangel Michael, this situation is already resolved. Some of you guys na solusyonan na, natapos na yung problema. And the personal you're asking is about trustworthy. Yung taong pinakausap mo ay mapagkakatiwalaan mo. No, some of you guys na natapos na nakakaranas na kayo ng maganda at ginhawang eksena. No, nakatapos na kayo sa problema na yon. Or mga pinagdaanan nyo. And there's a facade. Mag-ingat ka lang sa mga nagbabalat kayo. Mga nagpapanggap, guys, no? And there's a creations, no? May mga bagay na makakapag-create ka ng mga bagong ideas, no? Bagong eksena or bagong simula. There's a perception. Baguhin mo lang daw yung mindset or something, a perspective mo dito. And there's a wisdom, enlightenment, bibigyan linaw lahat ng mga bagay o kaguluhan sa buhay mo ngayon. Additional messages for Monsology. You are good enough. No, sapat ka na daman daw, 'di ba? And nothing will come in this situation. Walang mangyayari sa situation nang hindi ka nagtitake ng action, ha? Look at the bigger picture. Dapat tignan mo yung mangyayari, yung posibilidad na mangyari, no? Yung mga kahihinatnan, ganon. Dapat tignan mo yung sarili mo na 5 years from now, 10 years from now, kung ano yung development at transformation na magaganap sa buhay mo. Diba, hindi yung puro ganyan-ganyan, jamming-jamming or something, blessing ka na lang. You need to improve yourself. Engagement. No? Magkakaroon ka ng engagement dito for higher level of commitment. And there's a very soon, sa mga susunod na ganap or eksena, guys, no? May mga pagbabago magaganap pagdating sa love life mo. Additional messages. There's a discipline. So, magkakaroon ka ng disiplina. And there's a fear. No? Mawawala na yung takot at pangamba mo dito. Or pag-aalinlangan. Okay, thank you. Angel Spirit, please give me information for the energy. Energy for Angel Spirit. Please give me information. There's a journey. No, pagdadaanan mo talaga yan. There's a rough road or something na nasa tulay ka ng, kumbaga, kabiguan ngayon, pero darating yung araw na para mararanasan mo ang mga bagay na I deserve it. No, there's a broken heart. No, may mga bagay na naranasan ka, there's a painful or something na sakit at kirot, there's an all tied up. Kailangan mo nang kumawala sa nakaraan. Kailangan mo nang umalis dyan. Kasi parang, kumbaga, nagba-back and forth pa eh. Kumbaga, binabalik-balikan mo pa yung nakaraan. There's a something patient. No, there's a takes time. May oras at panahon talaga. So, let's see what is Arcangel Raphael messages. Arcangel Raphael messages for you. Ask your body for massage. So, kailangan mo rin ng massage, ha? Additional messages for Angel Spirit. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. There's a practice, no? Polish your skills, guys. And there's a protected. You are being protected, guys. Protektado ka naman daw ng ating Angel Spirit. So, continue what you're doing, guys. And of course, gamayan at kumbaga, himay-himayin, no? Basta sinasabi dito, magtatagumpay ka. Basta magpatuloy ka. And there is a jump in. Say yes to change, no? Kung handa ka sa pagbabago, handa rin ng kapalaran para baguhin ang buhay mo. Diba? Kumbaga, kung ano ka, kung porsigido ka mabago ang buhay mo, darating yung araw na mababago talaga yan. There's something, enjoy your life from the fullest, no? And there's a winning moon by self-inventory. Mag-invest ka rin sa sarili mo, no? Sa mga time and effort. So, there's a selenite with a spiritual activation. Mag-activate din ang spirituality mo kasi may mga bagay na matutuklasan ka. It's not ordinary for physical and of course material. So, darating yung ano na may papasok dito ng spiritual na ganun talaga kapag talaga kailangan din sa buhay natin yung swerte, no? Na kumbaga minsan dyan kahit anong sipag mo, no? Kahit anong tiyaga mo, kapag hindi ka dinapuan ng swerte, wala, olats ka. Ganon. Jesus' loving quote said, nothing shall be impossible to you. No? Sa buhay mo, walang imposible. No? Lahat ng mga bagay sa'yo ay posible. Ganon. What is the angel's number? Represent what? Basta sinasabi sa'yo dito ha, napakalapit mo sa tagumpay. Nasasayo na lang yan kung kikilos at gagalaw ka. So, let's see what is the angel's number. 888, wow, karma. So, lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo ay parang ibabalik sa'yo. What goes around comes around. At sinasabi dito, a lot of money is coming your way. Fortune refers to more than just monetary and material success. If you don't appreciate the people in around you, you won't have them tomorrow. This message encourages you to take personal responsibilities and use to realize your greatest potential. So, see, kung hindi mo pahalagaan yung mga bagay na kung ano man na meron ka, hindi mo yan kumaga, hindi mo yan mapanghahawakan hanggang sa huli. So, kung marunong ka magpahalaga ng mga maliliit na bagay, kumbaga ibibigay sa iyo ng ating Panginoon yung mga malalaking bagay na alam niya pahalaga mo hanggang sa huli. So, ibig sabihin, this is a karma for you with the, for your hard work, for your beliefs, no? Dahil sa paniniwala at pananampalataya mo, this is the financial and of course, financial success, relation success, and there's a health success. So, talaga magtatagumpay ka in all aspects, no? The messages of life represent beyond, diba? Today, I lift my consciousness above old worldly illusions. I remember the power I have resented. I have in every situation, I always have a choice in how I respond. Today, I choose to turn my thoughts towards God. By focusing my awareness beyond my illusions, and of course, material world, I experience simplicity and peace. So, see, kumbaga, nagkaroon ka ng kapayapaan sa kaisipan at kapayapaan sa iyong nararamdaman na kailangan mo i-surrender lahat ng mga bagay na nangyari sa iyo sa kasalukuyan. So, lahat ng mga bagay na yan, ay alam mo, ay may hawak sa iyo ang Panginoon, no? Hinahawakan ng kamay mo at ginaguide ka sa lahat ng mga bagay na tatahakin mo. So guys, this is a special gabay for month of May 25 hanggang May 31 for the sign of Gemini. So Gemini, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos updated. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!